Your realtor just told you the buyer's inspection came back, and suddenly, there are repairs you didn't even know about. It happens all the time: unexpected issues, deadlines approaching, and the fear of delaying or even losing your sale. And trying to find multiple contractors can be overwhelming and slow everything down. That's where Casa Developer steps in. We are your complete turnkey solution for inspection repairs and CO approvals. One call, one licensed team. All repairs handled under one company. Fast, coordinated, and compliant. We review your inspection report, provide a same-day estimate, and begin repairs within 24 to 48 hours. No chasing contractors. No guesswork. No delays. With our safe CO pass guarantee, Casa Developer eliminates stress, speeds up your timeline, and prepares your home to sell smoothly, safely, and on schedule. Casa Developer, your turnkey partner for fast, reliable home repair and CO approval solutions.